Hello friends, I have just received this package from Krylon India and I cannot wait to unbox the package. So without any further ado, let's unbox the package. So I have received this zombie kit. Yeah, this is for SFX makeup. If you are looking for anything for zombie makeup or SFX makeup, this is the best option for Indian market, because you find pretty much everything which is used in SFX makeup. This is sponge which I have received, and this is a tooth enamel. This is for 12 ml I believe, and I've also got this translucent powder which is very important to set the makeup. The next is some FX blood, which is very important for SFX makeup or any kind of to create any kind of wound. You definitely need this product. This is pretty much dark, and if you buy this product individual in Amazon or some other platform, it would cost you a lot, but this comes with this kit, which is a very good thing. And this is some cine wax. This is very useful to create some wounds. And since I am starting SFX makeup, I want to try out with this thing. This is a color wheel which is used to make the wounds look very prominent, to give a realistic effect. This is liquid latex, and this is very important for making prosthetics. And it comes in 330 ml. The quantity is 30 ml, and all the ingredients present in this product is just mentioned in the packaging. And if you're buying, it's also very important to check the ingredients which are available. This is spirit gum. This is very much important to apply the prosthetics. And this is also 12 ml. It is pretty much okay for somebody who is starting SFX makeup. This is a very good option. And this is a spatula which they have given, and this is a Krylon brush. Definitely only blood is not enough for SFX makeup. You need some fresh scratches, so they have given this fresh blood, which is like very dark. Again, you can use paint to check the colors however you want, if you want more dark, if you want little light. But I am totally loving this product. So they have also given a plastic bag. Along with that, they have given, in this kit they have mentioned the step-by-step process to make any kind of zombie makeup. All the ingredients present in the product is also mentioned. Definitely check it out before buying the product, because you might get allergy to some products. But I have already used these products, so I'm pretty much okay with it. So I'm totally loving this packaging, loving these products, and I cannot wait to create looks using this thing. So thank you, Krylon. Thank you so much.